Nice to meet you.
To play 97 and sacrifice 25 to get 35 for you, please.
Learning chess and becoming good at chess and having to solve your own problems of how you teach yourself things is fantastic for kids. Maybe in this world in which more and more kids can only concentrate for 10 minutes, that in fact is exactly what we need. The fact that it's not the direction that society is going maybe makes it more valuable as an educational tool.
Block the queen from over there.
Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attackers.